I am so excited to finally be able to announce this, but the French Academy of Advanced Aesthetics is officially open for application. We have been creating this academy, and it has been such a labor of love because of how many trainings I've attended and all of the great trainings I've attended, and also the trainings that I've been a little bit disappointed in, have all been a factor in creating the ultimate experience for experienced injectors. So this is an academy where somebody who's been working for 2 years at least will come to me with a very small class size. And I'm actually going to be hand picking the cohorts to be together so that we can match up skill level, goals, so that the playing field is really even for everybody who's there. There's nothing worse than being at a training and having no idea what's going on, and also being at a training and feeling like, I really wish we could talk about something a little bit more advanced. Whenever I go to a training, I'm really looking for personalized, hands-on, how can I become better from learning your skills? And so one of the aspects of this training is a really intense review of your current portfolio. So I want to sit with you and look at your best before and afters. I also want to look at patients who are really challenging for you, where you're like, what do I do with this patient? We've tried everything, right? We all have patients like, oh, how can I get her there? It's going to be really customized. So this whole training is really going to be about the injectors. It's going to be about you. It's really not about me. The way that I'm going to create each cohort is really reading through your applications in as much detail as I can, doing some research behind the scenes to see your work, and then creating each training will be really customized to you. So in the same way I customize protocols for my patients, I'm going to be customizing trainings for my injectors, for the students, right? So the idea is that when you arrive, it's going to be such an experience. I mean, you're coming to the French NP. I have to make it an amazing experience, right? So it's loaded with exciting details and surprises that I'm hoping really take your injection skills to the next level. One of the most exciting parts that I think people will love is that there's not only a didactic part, there's hands-on injection for multiple models. So you're going to get a ton of feeling what it feels like to get that stroke right. We're also going to be using all the paint brushes. So, the injectables with cannulas, with needle, with threads, the PDO collection will all be a part of this training for you. Another aspect is that anytime you're going to train with somebody that you love or that you admire, you sort of hope that, maybe you can get a treatment. Well, guess what? Included in your training is a treatment of your choice, including facial balancing. We can do any of the things that we offer here at the French NP to you as part of your experience, to not only be able to speak to your patients about what the experience is firsthand, because now you've had it done and you know exactly what it feels like. A final aspect is a little bit of business development, particularly if I have a cohort of all business owners. Then what we can talk about are all the business questions that you're always dying to ask somebody, like, what do I do about this? What do you charge for this? And all of those kind of really tough business owner questions. The collaborative aspect is going to be really helpful because we can all learn from each other, but then there will be one-on-one aspects where you and I really dive into it and get into the you specifics of how you can be elevating your practice and elevating your injection. Part of that will include not only how is your branding. I'm also hoping to help you dream a little bit about where are we trying to go, and then I'll help you get there. I'll give you all of any knowledge that I have, anything I've learned in the past 7 years, I'm going to hand over to you. I'm really excited. I hope you all benefit from it as much as I hope you do. I'll also be a continuous mentor for you moving forward indefinitely. What will be imprinted on each other for life. And I'm so honored and excited to present this. I've put my heart and soul into it. Our trainings are going to be in July and August, and there are a few more after that. But the July and August will be the first round, July 12th and 13th, as well as August 8th and